SAP Readiness Check Interview Questions and Answers. What is SAP Readiness Check? SAP Readiness Check is a tool that helps organizations assess their current SAP landscape and prepare for an SAP S/4HANA migration. It analyzes the existing system's readiness and provides reports on areas that may need attention. What is the role of SAP Readiness Check in S/4HANA migration? It helps to evaluate the current system and ensure a smooth transition to SAP S/4HANA. It assesses technical and functional compatibility, identifies custom code, and highlights potential challenges for the migration process. What are the prerequisites for running SAP Readiness Check? The system must be on a supported version of SAP ERP, e.g., ECC 6.0, and the necessary connectivity to SAP Solution Manager or SAP Cloud Platform is required. How does SAP Readiness Check provide insights into the system? It generates detailed reports based on the current system configuration, custom code analysis, and compatibility with SAP S/4HANA. These insights help businesses understand their readiness level. Can SAP Readiness Check identify custom code issues? Yes, SAP Readiness Check evaluates custom code to identify areas that might require modification or optimization during the migration to SAP S/4HANA. What is the significance of the simplification item list in SAP Readiness Check? The simplification item list provides a detailed view of the functionality changes, obsolete features, or areas that have been simplified or enhanced in SAP S/4HANA compared to the current system. How does SAP Readiness Check help with data migration? It checks the data structure, identifies obsolete or redundant data, and suggests improvements in data quality, ensuring a smoother data migration process. What reports are generated by SAP Readiness Check? The tool generates multiple reports such as the custom code impact analysis, simplification items, business functions, and compatibility analysis reports. How does the SAP Readiness Check impact project planning? By providing detailed insights into the current system's readiness, SAP Readiness Check helps organizations identify potential issues early, enabling better planning and resource allocation for the migration process. What is the function of the Business Functions report in SAP Readiness Check? It highlights which business functions are active in the current system and whether they are supported in SAP S/4HANA, helping users understand what functionality may be impacted during migration. What is SAP Fiori, and how is it related to the Readiness Check? SAP Fiori is a user experience (UX) designed for SAP applications. The Readiness Check evaluates the compatibility of Fiori apps with the current SAP system to ensure a seamless transition to the new UX in SAP S/4HANA. How does SAP Readiness Check handle add-ons? SAP Readiness Check identifies third-party add-ons and evaluates their compatibility with SAP S/4HANA, providing a clear view of which add-ons need to be updated, replaced, or removed. What are the technical components checked during SAP Readiness Check? It checks system landscape, custom code, business functions, add-ons, SAP Fiori compatibility, data structure, and interface compatibility, among others. What are the key benefits of using SAP Readiness Check? Benefits include a clear roadmap for migration, early identification of potential issues, optimized resource allocation, and ensuring minimal disruption during the transition to SAP S/4HANA. How does SAP Readiness Check assist with the simplification item list? The tool highlights which simplifications apply to your system, such as changes in modules, obsolete features, and simplification of functionalities in SAP S/4HANA. Can SAP Readiness Check detect non-SAP systems? No, SAP Readiness Check only analyzes SAP systems and their readiness for S/4HANA migration. Non-SAP systems require separate evaluation tools. How frequently should SAP Readiness Check be run? It is recommended to run SAP Readiness Check early in the migration planning phase. It can also be run periodically to track system changes and ensure ongoing readiness for migration. How can SAP Readiness Check help with the business process assessment? SAP Readiness Check assesses the current business processes, identifies gaps, and provides recommendations for aligning business processes with the new capabilities of SAP S for HANA. What is the difference between SAP Readiness Check and SAP Transformation Navigator? While SAP Readiness Check focuses on assessing the system's current state and readiness for SAP S for HANA, SAP Transformation Navigator helps define the future state, guiding organizations through the transformation journey. What should be done after receiving the SAP Readiness Check report? After receiving the report, the next steps include reviewing the identified issues, discussing with stakeholders, developing a migration strategy, and taking action to address any compatibility, functionality, or custom code issues.